Wow!
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike.
Ayan guys, check out na kami dito sa Fairways. Lipat kami ng marami sa Big Mall. Yung aming 3 days ay doon namin ihalit sa may Big Mall namin. Okay guys, bye! Kain na tayo dito sa Karangaria. Ayan ang ating alam.
Hindi, sa 2. Station.
Ayun, nagabit ko naman.
Tara.
O yan guys, dito tayo sa
Station.
Station 1. Lipat tayo ng Station 2.
Ama. Kain na. Sige, ano ka na? Kain ka na.
Kain tayo. Wala na akong bipin.
Upload. Sunset.
Ano nga ba yan?
Sunset.
Sunset. Ayan guys, sunset Look
What are you waiting?
Morte yan.
More.
Kulot na kulot naman siya.
Here food.
G-Mall. Ayan. Dito tayo sa kay G-Mall.
Parang malakas yung Ama. Carb. Pwede ba ito? Tikim mo na lang. Lagyan mo nito, yung parang Oo, mamaya.
May ano po siya, suman sa ilalim.
Oh, kunin mo yung suman sa ilalim.
May suman siya sa ilalim.
May latte. Kaya pala may latte.
Tama.
Ayan, kung gusto nyo tikman ito, Mango Mama, ito po ay 320. Pero sulit naman po yung inyong 320 kasi masarap po. Meron po siyang latik. Ayun, merong nakalaman sa loob. Mango Mama. Sulit, mayan. Morning guys. Pag 4 days na namin dito, ayan, tara punta tayo ng station ng ulit. Station 1. Kasi dito kami sa Station 2. Picture muna tayo doon.
Behind the scene. Bye! Doon na siya sa far away.
Baby, shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since you started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss my crazy hazes in the middle of the
Yan si Dela Strop.
stars from different places. And the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? Racing back on one way ticket and bought onto a plane and fly it straight into a
Gusto mo, Lay, after natin, puntahan natin yung sa may Starbucks na to, sa may station. Oo. Puntahan natin yung Starbucks para makabigyo.
Can be deceiving in the spaces we call love won't have to fade away. But do you ever wake up feeling like you're living day to day? We should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away the K and mark ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. Girl, baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you.
Kulay mo yun. Ayan, kain na tayo guys.
Medyo na. Walang ganyan.
Baby,